All right, we are ready for some Wetumpka Pyro with the burn barrel.
That's right. That's right. Here we go. You ready?
Ready to go.
About to make the drop. 3, 2, 1. Anytime.
Well, how hard did you throw it in there? There we go. There was the lift charge.
Hell yeah.
Kapoof.
Kapoof. How nice is that? I mean, we can't hear ourselves like today.
There's the burn barrel and the... Uh-oh, got a little extra going off there.
Good job.